Hello friends, in this video I will show you the main problem of this toys car like this. So first of all, let me tell you the story of this car. A friend of mine brought me this toy and said that was all functional few months ago before the winter, and after winter it's not working at all. First of all, he replaced the battery. But after the winter, this toy was completely dead. And he tried to charge the battery, but the battery won't charge. So brought a new battery. This one is a new battery. And the problem is, even with this new battery, this is not working at all, was completely dead, and brought to me. And first of all, I've tested the battery. The battery is good, it's charged. We have 13 volts on the battery. After the battery, this is some kind of fuse. I took out this cover, I measured the fuse, and the fuse is good. After the fuse, this is a charging port. In this hole was charging port. And I measured the voltage from the battery, entered the charging port, but not goes out of the charging port to this connector. So on the battery I had 13 volts, but on this connector I had 0 volts, and I don't know why. And that's why I've opened this charging port to see what we have inside. So what I don't like is that the charger is put in parallel with the battery. So this has to be a smart charger. And as you can see, the minus from the battery goes from this pin to the output of the battery. So this is a switch. And because this stayed in the harsh condition, in the rain and in the snow, that's why this contact was not good. But I've cleaned this contact, and now I will put everything back. So I have to put this back. So I've put this cover back. And now let's measure the voltage to the output of the battery. First of all, let's measure the battery. Battery is good. Now the output of the battery. And we have voltage to the output of the battery. Now let's try to start. And as you can see, it's working. So the voltage is good, display is good, so we saved this toy. So what we can take from this video is that if you have a toy car like this and after few months it's not working, after you replace the battery, you have to take out this charging port, clean it and put it back, and you will save this toy. Thanks for watching. Bye.